Got our first major cloud inversion of the year. I'm heading up there, hoping to get up above the clouds before sunset. I don't know, should be really beautiful. There's a lot of hoarfrost on the trees up there. Let's see what she holds. So we got about 2,000 feet of vert to go. I've been running off and on because got about an hour to do it. Huffing it up there. I checked the visible satellite before I came out. There's some high clouds way up there, and I think it's going to be a really colorful sunset. It's getting steeper. It's killing me. Still out of breath, and this hike is kicking my butt. It's just full of scree and rocks covered in ice. It's been brutal, but finally made it into the clouds. I really hope the top is peeking out, otherwise this is gonna be such a bummer. I'm starting to get really worried that our summit is socked in. 3/4 of the way up, come this far, gotta at least give it a shot. We'll see how it goes.
By this point, I was hoping to be out of the clouds already. I could almost see the summit, and there wasn't an obvious clearing above me. I was worried I would just have to settle for a foggy view.
All right, summit's just up there. Got a couple hundred feet. It is freezing up here. I'm soaked, but check this out. Sun's starting to peek out. We're darn close. Gotta finish it out. No words. Unbelievable.
I'd never seen anything like it, and it was more amazing than I had hoped it would be. It was one of the few scenes I've witnessed that truly left me speechless.
It's time to go down. I'm getting numb, and my batteries are dying from the cold. So, time to head.
And to be honest, it was hard to leave what had become a magical place to me. My body was freezing, and my camera was dying, and I knew it was time to go. But I feel like it happened too fast, that I wasn't able to experience it as much as I would have liked. I guess that's what makes it so special.
The fog is so thick up here at times, it's really disorienting, so I'm just taking it slow. Don't need to bust anything on a rock.
For a weeknight hike, I was amazed with some of the photos I came down with. Check out the gallery at the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on next week's episode. Until then, have a happy holiday, and use the extra time to get outside. It's amazing out there.